the evolution of AI and why it's getting so hyped. Technology called artificial intelligence, AI, is quickly changing the world we live in. Intelligent machines like Siri, Alexa, and self-driving cars are changing how we use technology and making our lives better in many ways. Although, have you ever thought about how AI has changed over time to get to where it is now? In terms of AI growth, what are the most important steps? Additionally, what does the future hold for AI? Please give this movie a thumbs up before we start talking about how AI has changed over time. You can stay connected with this channel by subscribing and clicking the bell button. Let's get started right away. Our journey through AI starts in the middle of the 20th century, when the idea of AI was first presented, when AI was first being used. Inventors have thought about artificial intelligence, AI, since the beginning of computers. Before the 20th century, people were already thinking about making machines that could do things that generally require human intelligence. That being said, AI didn't start to take shape as an area of study until the middle of the 20th century. In the 1950s and 1960s, rule-based systems were created. They were one of the first big steps in the growth of AI. The rules that these systems followed helped them make choices based on logic. Their capacity to handle complexity and doubt was limited. They were mainly used for things like proving theorems and playing chess. In a different way to approach AI, neural networks were created by modeling their organization after the human brain. Within the 1980s, scientists began to look into neural networks, which had the ability to learn from their mistakes and change their settings to do better. This method worked well in speech and image recognition. For example, despite these early wins, AI made slow progress, and researchers had to deal with many problems. Too little computer power and expensive tools were two of the biggest problems. Furthermore, AI systems lacked data to learn from, and scientists didn't fully comprehend how the human brain works. Nevertheless, machine learning, an area of AI that focuses on creating algorithms that can learn from data, grew quickly in the 1990s. A lot of success and setbacks happened in the early days of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, was first thought of in the 1800s, but it wasn't until the middle of the 1900s that researchers began to create the tools and methods that would make AI a reality. Despite the problems they faced, early researchers' work opened the way for AI to grow and set the stage for machine learning, a modern technology. Machine learning came a long way in the 1990s, and many new methods were created, including support vector machines, decision trees, and random forests. Using data and these algorithms, robots could make complicated choices and learn from their mistakes. Consequently, machine learning turned into a strong device for fixing issues in the real world, like finding scams, blocking spam, and translating languages. Presently, machine learning is extensively utilized in numerous areas, such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and transportation. In healthcare, for instance, machine learning algorithms are used to identify medical conditions, predict disease outbreaks, and look at data about patients. Finance uses machine learning algorithms to find fraud, control risk, and come up with trading strategies. Learning deeply. Have you ever thought about how virtual helpers like Siri and Alexa manage to understand what you say? How can self-driving cars see things in the road and make choices right away? How to solve this problem is through deep learning, a branch of machine learning that has come a long way in the last 10 years. The area of deep learning focuses on creating artificial neural networks with many layers. Neural networks are computer programs that are built to work like the human brain and can learn from a lot of information. Starting in the 2010s, deep learning has made big steps forward in many areas, such as computer vision, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Deep learning's ability to automatically pull out features from raw data is one of its best benefits. For example, deep learning algorithms can learn to find patterns in pictures and objects, record speech, and make up language that sounds like it was spoken by a person without being told to do so. Presently, deep learning is utilized in various fields, including self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and virtual helpers. Because of huge increases in data, faster computers, and big steps forward in deep learning, AI is gaining a lot of popularity again. Today's economic recovery has led to groundbreaking technologies like self-driving cars and healthcare powered by AI, which are changing fields like banking, manufacturing, and retail. There are, however, worries about losing jobs, ethics, and privacy. If you liked it, please click the bell icon to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon in a new movie. Have a good time and look after yourself until then.